Now children, question number 4th part 2nd. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Children, for this question we will have to assume let the fraction be x upon y. Now students, there will be two cases, case 1 and case 2 according to question. Case 1 is a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Its numerator is x, so we have to subtract, means minus 1 from the numerator, and no change in the denominator. Denominator y will remain as it is. It becomes 1 by 3, means equal to 1 by 3. Case 2 children, it becomes 1 by 4, means equal to 1 by 4 if 8 is added to its denominator, means we have to add 8 in the denominator. Y plus 8, it would become y plus 8, but no change in the numerator. Now we shall solve both the cases. Case 1, 3 will be cross multiplied by x minus 1 and we will get 3x minus 3. Y will be cross multiplied by 1, we will get y. Y into 1 is y. Now all the terms will be shifted to left hand side. So it would become in standard form 3x plus y will become minus y after shifting, and minus 3 on the left hand side as it is equal to 0. Case 2 children, x will be cross multiplied by 4 will become 4x and y plus 8 will be multiplied by 1 and will become y plus 8. Now all the terms we shall shift to left hand side. In standard form, first of all we shall write ax. Ax means here 4x plus by. By means here standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So 4x plus y will become minus y and plus 8 will become minus 8 after shifting equal to 0. Now children, we will subtract both the equations, equation 1 and 2. First equation is 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Second equation is 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Now for subtraction, we will have to change the signs of second equation. Plus 4x will become minus 4x, minus y will become plus y, minus 8 will become plus 8. Now minus y plus y will be cancelled. 3x minus 4x will become minus 1x or only minus x, because 4 minus 3 is 1. Plus 8 and minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 and sign would be positive, is equal to 0. Minus x as it is, plus 5 will be shifted to right hand side and will become minus 5. My negative sign on the both sides will be cancelled. So value of x is 5. Now put x equal to 5 in equation number 1, that is 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 will be shifted to right hand side. 3x means 3 into 5 minus y equal to 3. 3 into 5 means 15 will be shifted to right hand side and would become minus 15, and minus y will remain as it is on left hand side. Minus y equal to 15 minus 3 is 12. Sign would be negative because of the greater term. Minus minus on the both sides will be cancelled. So value of y is 12. So we shall write in the end, therefore the fraction is x upon y, that is 5 upon 12.